Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Picktime, which is an online scheduling and appointment booking tool. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you would like to try it out, you can just check out my link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official website of Picktime. Over here, you will see the prompt that says simplified scheduling for everyone. So the best part about this tool is that you can get started with it absolutely for free. When you click on this option, you will be landed here on this page where you can basically sign in here with the help of your Google account or with the help of your email account. Once you have done that, once you are inside your dashboard, you are going to see this type of page or option in front of you. So on your dashboard, you are going to see a quick summary of all of your appointments, your tasks, and other important updates. On the left hand sidebar, you will notice some of other tabs too, like we have overview, customers, service setup, team, locations, etc. So each one of these tabs are basically designed here to help you manage different aspects of your business in one place. So we will go through each one of these one by one here in this video. First off, we have calendar. We can say calendar is the heart of Picktime. Here you can view your scheduled appointments on daily, weekly, and monthly basis. For example, let's say you are a salon owner. You can check how many clients are booked this week. You can also click on this option of new appointment here in the top right hand corner of the screen. With the help of it, you can basically manually add any booking. You can set the time, the customer name, service type, and you can assign it to a team member too. So this much of thing you can do with the help of this calendar option. Now, next up, we have this customers tab. This customer tab actually lets you keep a full database of your clients. You can add new customer here by clicking on this new customer option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can give your customer's name, then their mobile number and their email ID, basically their contact details like preferred services or last visit. You can also define that. This particular tab is especially useful because you don't have to keep a separate Excel sheet. All of your customer information is saved directly inside Picktime. Then when you click on the option of service setup, you can define what services your business actually offer. So here you can click on the option of services in order to take a look at a bunch of different services on Picktime. For example, if you run a fitness studio, you might create service like personal training for 1 hour or yoga classes for 45 minutes. You can also set the duration, price, and you can assign with the staff member that provides that service. Then we have this team tab. When you click on the team tab, this is where you can add and manage your staff. You can click on the option of new member here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you can add your member by providing their email address here. So you can send them an invite and they can accept it in order to join your Picktime dashboard. Now, each of your member can have their own schedule, working hour, and assigned services. So if John, let's say, only works mornings and Anna only works in the evening, you can set that up here. That's why Picktime will only allow clients to book them during their available times. Now, if your business operates from more than one places, you can just take a look at this locations tab here in the left hand section, which is going to basically help you to manage the locations. For example, if you have two salon branches in different neighborhoods, you can just simply click on the option of new location here in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can create the locations for both of your outlets over here. You can provide the physical location and then you can add the location name, address, and country and save it over here. So when customers book online, they can choose which branch they want to visit. Then we have the option of online booking. As the name suggests, this is one of the best feature of Picktime, I would say. With the help of it, Picktime lets you share a booking link with your customers. They can then visit your link and see your available slots and book the appointments themselves. Over here, you don't need to manually confirm these over the phone because it is completely automated. You can also embed the booking widget on your website, or you can also share it on your social media. So here you need to fill out these details like your email address, your website, your phone number, about us section. You can add your social media links and any message, and you are done. Then when you click on the option of payments and sales here in the left hand section, with the help of this tab, you will be able to basically track your earnings. Picktime even integrates it with multiple payment providers. As you can see over here, we have PayPal, Stripe, Square. So you can click on any one of these by clicking on this plus icon right next to the PayPal, let's say. And with the help of it, you can basically let your customers pay online at the time of booking. So you can add it over here very easily. This reduces no shows and keeps your cash flow steady. Then we have the option of reports. When you click on the reports tab, it is going to give you the insights into your business performance, like how many bookings you have got this month, which services are most popular, and the staff related performance. With the help of the promotions tab, you will be able to basically set up the discounts, the coupons, and special offers to attract more customers. Now, Picktime also going to give you the benefits of integrations. So with the help of integrations, you can add various tools here like PayPal for payments. Then we have booking widgets like your social media accounts, Google Calendar, Zoom, and a bunch of other things. So this makes scheduling virtual meetings and the payments super smooth in Picktime. So that's it. This was a complete walkthrough of how you can use Picktime. It is quite simple, powerful, and it can save you hours of manual scheduling. If this video helped you out, make sure that you don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below if you have any questions regarding this tutorial. And remember, you will find the affiliate link in the description. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day.